Next door in House 1, Harry and Tash's master bedroom is going to have ceilings of biblical proportions.
I won't be doing monkey bars up the ceiling, it's too high.
And the floor space is about double that of the other houses.
It's bigger than my apartment. Our master bedroom on the plan is 5.8 metres. We've got the opportunity this week to do something amazing because of our ceiling and how big our room is, and we thought, oh, this could be our week to win.
Yeah.
It could be. With a nod to the 1920s history of the house, Tash is sourcing a velvet king-size bed and custom wallpaper. But it's their plan for a huge cathedral ceiling spanning the length of the room, complete with Velux skylights that they're hoping will get them over the line.
Oh, Harry. How you going, mate?
Yeah, not bad, mate. Getting there.
Getting there. I just walked into House 1, just wanted to see how progress was going. With Harry, we've still got to hold his hand and babysit him because he's still a bit lost, I think. What's our plan of attack, mate?
Sorting this out. So I'll get it sorted out. I've got guys doing placing all that wall. Once that's done, then the Velux guys put in the skylight in there, which is the walking robes, and then they can work on this here.
Harry's just explained the scope of works that he's doing in there. You're essentially replacing all of this external wall.
Yeah.
This front wall you've got to rebuild with structural timbers going in.
Yep.
This ceiling, the gable that goes all the way through.
Yep.
I'm worried in here. A lot to do. Mate, there's so much to do. This ceiling work, I reckon there's 5 or 6 hours in that alone. When have you got plasters booked?
Well, when they're ready from 4 or 5 tonight, they can come start shooting.
Today?
Today.
Mate, Harry, there's no chance you're plastering today, I can tell you right now. Very lucky I just walked in and asked Harry on progress, otherwise we would have had plasterers coming at 4 p.m, standing around till maybe 10 o'clock tonight, going home, charging for that, and then coming back again tomorrow. So he's just not organising it. Can you hold him off till tomorrow?
I think we can.
Mate, you have to. I'm telling you right now, all the carpentry you've got to do, all the skylights, then you've got to insulate everything, straighten walls. There's no chance you're happening today.
A few minutes later.
I think it's time, Dad. It could be our winning room. There is absolutely no way we would be able to finish this room on the $19,000 budget that we were given in the short week that we have for the size of the space that we've got, especially compared to the other teams.
Yeah, we're a bigger space. So...
Who's going to smash it? I'm too scared. Can you do it?
I'll do it. So let's pull the hipages lever. We're not going to accomplish what we want to do. Let's pull it. OK, you ready?
Yep.
Do you want to pull the lever?
It's all up to you, Dad.
I was emptying my vacuum cleaner. I heard the bell going off. Someone has pulled the lever.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
Someone's popped the lever.
By sheer coincidence.
Ronnie!
You rang. You've pulled the hipages lever.
We have.
It is time.
We have.
Well, OK. Why have you pulled it? It's just too big.
I think this is the biggest master on the block.
It is huge.
It's humongous.
Let's step into action. What do we need to do?
We need chippies, we need to replace the wall, we need this ceiling built over here, and we need plasterers.
Yeah. What I'm going to do, hipages app, get in this photo. There we go, that's perfect. Bing. OK, I'm going to post that job. We'll have a team here within an hour.
Oh, fantastic. That's what we need.
Amazing. That's so good.
All right, let me post this and we'll be away.
We hadn't seen the state of their
Size
room.
and state of the room.
Being Wednesday, they had F all done. In my mind, I felt he pulled it even too late. Should have been done Tuesday. I don't know. I thought it was a bit
morning,
risky.
yeah.
You know, if you're going to pull it, you got to pull it early.
A little less than an hour later.
OK, here we go.
It felt like 5 minutes later.
Harry,
Scotty! Scotty Cam appeared from nowhere. Again.
meet John and Hamish.
John. Hamish, how are you? He's like a genie.
These are the hipages chippies.
Mate,
They're here.
godsend. Thanks for coming, guys. It's such short notice.
And, boys, there is a lot of work to do here in the chippy stakes. So I reckon, Harry,
I'm going to show you what needs
get
to be
him
done.
going.
Let's go.
See you, boys. Well done.
You put an ad up and straight away.
Yeah, the chippies pulled up and it started happening.
Just got to get these walls built now.
Okay. So, you know what? Pulling that hipages lever, I felt at ease after it was done because I felt like we got the help. We need to really pull off this room reveal this week.
Back on site in House 1, the hipages crew are making massive inroads with Harry and Tash's build. The chippies have already built all the exterior stud walls and are ready to install the Viridian glass door at the front.
Let's get him in there, hammers. Watch that, hammer. Yeah.
Letting in even more light into their huge master bedroom.
That looks absolutely amazing, that. Looking on the plans, it didn't really stand out to me, but now seeing it in place and its presence, it is a very stunning feature of that room. Oh, wow, look at that, Jesus Christ.
We are not regretting pulling that lever one bit. We're regretting not pulling it earlier.
Yes, that's what I'm regretting. I'm pulling it earlier.